friends and felines, and welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're venturing onto my channel for the first time today. Normally if you see me dressed up like this, completely bumming it out, showing my true ratchetness, that means I am doing an unboxing video because I don't really feel like putting on makeup, even though my cheeks are super red today. Like, they are really red, really warm, I'm looking really flushed. I feel fine other than my cheeks being really warm. My temperature is normal, I don't have a fever. Yeah. But I think something I used in my skincare last night really just gave my cheeks a reaction or something because they are really bad today. Earlier this morning I had a bunch of little dots, so I don't know what that was all about. Pumbaa! Knock it off. So I don't really know what it was. The one thing I've started introducing into my skincare routine is an ampoule. Don't know how to pronounce it, and it's actually supposed to reduce redness. Obviously, my skin did not approve. So like I said, I'm looking real bummed today. It's a Friday night, just got home from work. I'm gonna sit in, I'm gonna watch last night's episode of Grey's and last night's episode of Supernatural and play some Assassins. So for today's video, we are going to be unboxing the BoxyCharm for the month of November, the base box, and the big premium box. So if you guys would like to see what I got in here, then definitely keep on watching. I'm going to start off with the base box. You guys have heard this one, so you'll hear it every single time. This is $25. You get 5 full-size items, and it's supposed to be around $175 or more in value. I'm again questioning that because they increased their value prices on their website. Last month, you guys can go check it out, was nowhere near what the value price was supposed to be, so we're going to see what happens this month. I actually already know one of the items that's in this box. It was spoiled for me, but I'm super excited because, well, you guys will see. Alright, so we've got a nice little card here. The theme is Harvest, and because one of the products in here, I might as well just go for the big bucks first, is actually a Natasha Denona palette. So that's why we have a 25% off site-wide Natasha Denona. So you can use this anything on their site. You get 25% off, which I am probably going to be using at some point. I don't know when this expires. It's good until Christmas, so I'm definitely going to get myself a little Christmas gift because 25% off Natasha Denona is like ballin'. Alright, so this is going to be one of her small 5 shadow palettes. This is the Peak palette. I did get one of her other palettes once when it was on sale for 25 bucks, and I haven't used it yet. I need to, but it's like her purples one. So this one is retail at $48. Like I said, it's the Peak palette. This is what it looks like. Super cute, perfect for fall. You can create one eye look using just this palette. You've got your transition shades, you've got a deeper shade, and a nice super glitter over here, which I totally have to swatch because I've never even touched her formula. Ooh, that is pretty. It's super soft. Might as well just go ahead and swatch the whole thing. Alright, so here are all of the shades swatched. Going from the lightest shade is Aya, then Jasper, Thorn, Hara, and then the glitter one right over here is Shine. They all feel really soft, really creamy, really buttery, and I'm really excited to create an eye look out of this cute little palette. Again, I will put the coupon code for this down below in the description box in case anyone else wants to treat themselves to a Natasha Denona palette. Alright, the next thing in here is something in a bright orange packaging. This is from Yensa Beauty. It's their Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask. This is worth $45. It's got 8 orange skin-loving ingredients to help nourish and polish your face for a hydrated, smooth, supple, and radiant complexion. It's lightweight and exfoliates your surface skin in only 5 to 10 minutes. So that's what it looks like. I've heard that pumpkin and turmeric are really, really good for your skin. This says use 3 to 4 times a week for a superfood glow. I don't know if you should actually use it that much. I don't know how aggressive this exfoliating thing is, but it looks like it's got a lot of good ingredients and extracts and stuff. A lot of fruit extracts in here. I don't know if I'm going to hold on to this. Like I said, I always get a lot of skincare items, but we'll see. I just really need to do something with my cheeks and get rid of this redness, because I had a little bit of an online consultation with like a skin person that works at Ulta, and they recommended the Dermalogica products, and honestly, for the price that you pay for that, I don't really think they did anything. I thought the redness relief essence was going to help, and it thought it did at first, but I really don't think it's doing much difference in the long run. Ooh, the next thing is from Benefit. It's the Gimme Brow Volumizing Brow Gel. I don't own any Benefit, at least not any Benefit brow products, and of course, like, they're one of like the kings and queens of the brow world. But we've got this cute little brow gel right here. This is going to be $24. And it has a custom tiny tapered brush for easy, mess-proof application. Fuller looking brows magically appear. This is so cute and so tiny. I'm always looking for a brow gel that's got a small little wand. So hopefully this is small enough. Oh, look at that. That is a perfect small little wand. Exactly what I'm looking for, because I don't need a big like spoolie or big wand to put through my eyebrows, because then it just like gets messy. So that's super cute. It's so tiny. I don't know if this is like their full size product or not, but I'm definitely excited to try this out. All right, next we have something from Jekka Black, which I only heard about this brand because of Trixie Mattel, and I have their glow drops, which are okay. I don't use them that often. But this is the Liquid Corrector 2.0. So this is worth $15. It's the perfect under eye brightener, which disguises darkness and evens out skin tone. I don't know. I don't know if this is like a concealer or what exactly this is. I don't know if there's a shade or not, or if it's just a generic eye brightener. Ooh, it's pink. It's pink. I don't understand. I don't know about that. I honestly am not going to use this, so I will set this aside for a giveaway, and hopefully someone else out there can use it. All right, I think this is the last thing, which came open. This is from Volition. It's the Snow Mushroom Water Serum. Again, this is another brand I have never heard from, but I've heard good things about Snow Mushroom. This is $62. It's an ultra hydrating serum powered by the superfood snow mushroom to minimize the look of pores and leave skin visibly plumper and healthier looking. I was watching James Welsh, the skincare god, on like YouTube, and he was talking about different skincare things, and I think snow mushroom was something that was recommended to me to hydrate my skin and also help reduce like texture and redness. So I think I'm actually going to give this a try. This looks like super fancy. It's in a really nice, super fancy bottle. I mean, it's heavy. It's in a glass bottle. Does it twist off? There's like a little pump thing at the top. Oh, so like it comes out and then I think you like drop it like that. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that was like a lot for the back of my hand. It doesn't really have a smell, but rubbing it into my hand, like that feels like really, really moisturizing. I'm definitely going to keep this. I'm going to give this a try for sure. Again, I've never heard of this brand, so hopefully this stuff will work. I mean, I just need something to like, I think what I really need to do with my skincare is repair my skin barrier, so that way like it locks in moisture. So if I just put in on all these moisturizing products, it doesn't really like stick into my skin. I don't know, at some point I feel like I should see a dermatologist, because I hate this redness. It gets so bad sometimes that like no matter how much full coverage makeup I put on, it still peeks through, and it's just, today it's really bad. All right, that was everything in the base box. I'm going to add it up and see if it came close to the value of $175 as their website says it should. All right, so the total for the base box was $194. So yes, this time we did surpass the $175 value, and this was a great box. I think I'm going to give away this pumpkin turmeric polishing mask as well as the Jekka Black liquid corrector, and then everything else I will be holding on to. So let's go ahead and move into the bigger, better, supposedly, premium box. Alright, so the premium box is $35 a month. You first have to sign up for the base box and then be put on the wait list for the premium box. Once you are off the wait list, you can either keep both the base box and the premium box, or you could pay for both, as I do. This one's going to come with 6 to 7 full-size items, and according to the website, a minimum value of $215. Again, last month's didn't come close to that, so we'll see what happens this month. All right, we got another card, always a good sign. And right on top, we've got something from Alchemist. I think I've gotten one thing from this brand before, but I'm still very unfamiliar with this. This is going to be an eyeshadow palette. It is the Unveiled Artistry palette. It's worth $50. It feels heavy. It's worth $50? How many? There's 12 shades in here for $50. This is what the packaging looks like. It's actually kind of cute. It's a soft touch and it's got like a curve to it, so it's not just a straight up rectangle. Also, please ignore my nails. I need to repaint them. All right, and this looks like it's going to be a standard neutral palette. So it looks like you've got some mattes and some shimmers right there. It honestly is like super cute. I'm like loving this shade right here, this one, and this one. This is honestly super cute. It reminds me of like the smaller version of the Tati Beauty palette because you've got kind of like corresponding mattes and shimmers. Obviously with the Texture Neutrals palette, you get 4 the same color but different finishes. So, I mean, this is like kind of cute. I mean, if you want a smaller one to bring with you, I don't know why we smell this stuff because it smells horrible. I don't know. I've never tried this brand. I feel like I want to hold on to this because it is super cute. And apparently this is $50, which is really expensive because I just bought the Blood Money palette today, which is $52, and it's Jeffree Star. And that one is 18 shades, and this is 12. So this formula better be good. All right, well, if I'm keeping it, I decided I'm gonna keep it. So I'm gonna do a couple of swatches. Ooh, okay. It feels really, really nice. All right, so there are some of the swatches. I did a few of the shimmers and a few of the mattes. This is a very awkward angle. They feel really nice. The shimmers feel nice. The mattes, not the best matte formula feeling to the touch at least, but they definitely look like they're very easily blendable and buildable as an eyeshadow formula. So I'm actually kind of excited to give that a try. I really do like the feel of those metallic shades in there. So I guess we'll give this eyeshadow palette and this brand a try because like I said, I have not tried them yet. We've got something from Cosmetics. Looks like a couple of brushes in there. These are worth $25 and it is a skincare brush set. So we've got one that's a spatula that's dual-sided. They're silicone. You can use it to apply an exfoliator, serum, or mask. And then you've got one that is an embossed brush for gentle exfoliating and deep pore cleaning. Ooh, it's like super cool. It's got like bumps on it. There's like thousands of like little tiny bristles. Like that would feel like it'd be really like enjoyable. And then we've got a silicone one, which on one side it's got like little silicone bristles, and the other side is flat, which I'm actually really excited about this because I used to use something like this for applying like a mud mask or any type of face mask, and I don't know where it went. So this will definitely replace that, and I'm excited to give this a try. This one seems like really soft. All right, next we have something from Dose of Colors, which I don't think I have anything from them. I might have some sort of like lipstick or a lip gloss, I'm not sure. So this is gonna be worth $20. It is a Block Party single eyeshadow. It's in the shade Night Sky. I love this packaging. It's got like a little shift to it. Ooh, that's pretty. It's kind of hard to see exactly what it looks like in the pan, so let's just go ahead and swatch that. Ooh, feels very, very glittery. So it just looks like a really dark shade of black, but with like a blue shift to it and glitter reflex. I need a better lighting situation because I have my camera on my tripod surrounding my ring light. I did have my camera attached to my ring light, but it's very unstable and I don't want my very expensive camera to fall off, so I put it on a more secure tripod. So the lighting's a little wonky. I don't know, when I get more space and more money, I'm definitely going to get like soft boxes and everything else. All right, next thing in here is from Ilia. The Color Block High Impact Lipstick. This is what the packaging looks like. This is $28. It's a high pigment longwear and truly hydrated and provides full coverage in just one swipe. They always say that, but I don't believe them. This is in the shade Rosette. I'm not sure if I have anything from this brand either. I think I've heard of them, but super sleek and simple packaging. Just kind of like a titanium chrome packaging. All right, so I swatched it right there. I was kind of gentle with it, so I did 3 swipes. Just a nice, you know, pinky berry nude. Seems super creamy and super soft, so cool. All right, now we have something again from Real Her. This is a lip liner duo. These are worth $25 for 2 lip liners, which honestly is not that bad. All right, so it looks like we've got kind of like a brown and then more of like a burgundy. I wonder if these are cream or pencil because I'm not really a big fan of pencil ones. All right, so I think the shades are I Am Confident and Be Yourself, Be Real Her, I guess. So this more like nude brown one is I Am Confident, and this one is the Be Yourself one. Again, the super creamy, the Be Yourself one I really like, and I don't have many nude lip liners with like certain undertones, so I'm definitely holding on to both of those. And now we have something from Grown Alchemist. I think I got something in a FabFitFun box. So this is the Detox Night Cream. It's a whopping $125. I do have something from them and I honestly don't really like it. What is it? Let me go check. So I've got something from them before. This is the Hydro Repair Day Cream. This has Camellia Geranium Blossom in here. It's like in a weird packaging and it's like very, very, very thick. So especially for like a day cream, I don't use this often. This is kind of my backup when I run out of whatever moisturizer I'm using. I don't remember how much that one was. I don't know if that one was $125 also, but. And this one comes in a much smaller tube. Definitely like not as big as this one. So I don't remember how much this one was. The night cream is 1.35 fluid ounces. And the day cream is 2.19. My cheeks are so warm. Like my forehead's not, it's just my cheeks. So back to the night cream. It's a complex blend of peptides, things I can't pronounce, vitamins, hyaluronic acid, and essential omega fatty acids. They detox and regenerate the skin, reducing appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, resulting in radiant and youthful looking skin. I know it's a good preventative measure to work towards getting rid of fine lines and wrinkles, but at this like stage of my life, I just want something to get rid of this redness and the dryness and the texture and acne. Like I don't need to worry about fine lines and wrinkles yet. Okay? Just give me that. All right, that is everything in the premium box. Let's add it up and see how much it was worth. So the premium box is supposed to be a value of at least $215, and this month's box was $273. So again, making up for what happened last month, and I think I'm keeping everything in this box. I think I'm going to keep onto this Grown Alchemist, give them a second chance. I don't know, maybe I give this one a chance again and see if I like it or not. I don't know, we did good. We got a couple of skincare things, and a couple of makeup things, and a couple of tools. I'm honestly really happy with both boxes for this month, so I'm calling both a win. If I would have to choose a favorite though between the two, even though the premium box is like supposed to be worth more and it's more expensive, I honestly think that the base box wins just because you got a Benefit Brow product and a Natasha Denona palette. Alright friends, that is everything for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this unboxing, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you are notified every time I post a new video. I love you guys, and if you subscribe to my channel, I welcome you in my feline family. Bye! Hey! Stop fighting! You guys are like turning my little tripod.